Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And are you ready to take control of your schedule and simplify your meeting bookings? Because in today's tutorial, we are diving into this Call.com website, a powerful scheduling platform that customized, open source, and perfect for managing your time. So either you're a freelancer, business owner, or team manager, this website offers features that can streamline your scheduling and eliminate back and forth emails. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up an account, customize your booking, and sync your calendars and integrate with your favorite tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and more. So, first things first is you need to head over to this website. This is what we call decal.com. You just need to type cal.com and sign up for a free account. So either you need to sign up for a Google or your email. You can choose to sign in with your email, Google, or another supported account. And once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all the magic happens. So first is welcome to call.com. Here you'll be able to see here. You just need more basic information to get your profile set up. You'll be able to edit this later, so don't worry guys. So first is your username, your full name, the time zone. And here I'm gonna choose the time zone here. And next is the current time. And after that one is the next step. So as you can see here, connect your calendar here. So there's a lot of types of calendar here for you to connect. So connect your calendar to automatically check for busy times. So for example, that one is the Google Calendar, the Outlook Calendar, the Apple Calendar, the Zoho Calendar. And here is the ICS feed, the Calday Beta, the Lark Calendar, the Microsoft Exchange. Here, after that one, you just need to tap on that connect button. Then here, you'll be able to see here which Google Calendar. And as you can see here, you just need to tap on that continue. And here are some features that you want to add depending on you. So additional access to your Google account. So tap on that continue button. So just a tip guys, that if you are on a team, you can explore the team account options for shared availability and group scheduling. So here I'm gonna sign in this to my call.com. So right after that one, as you can see here, call.com is already some access. So here, you can always remove any access of that guys, so don't worry. And here is make sure you trust call.com, so continue. And you will be directed here. So continue that guys. As you can see here, you can now override this on a pre-event basis in advanced settings in each event type. So here you can also integrate that on your Square appointments. And if you are done, just tap the continue button below you. So here, tap on that one. So as you can see here, you also need to connect it to your video apps. So for example, to that one is this one. So you can also connect it to your Zoom video or your Discord. And the next step, so here you can set your availability here. So define ranges of time. You can customize all of this later in the availability page. So just need to next step. And here, a few sentences about yourself. These will appear on your personal URL page. So here you can add your profile photo here and add something about you. So it's more like a description. And don't worry guys, you can also upload file here. So as you can see here, so what you need to do next is you are directed now to the dashboard of call.com. So what you need to do here, so as you can see that one. So here is call.com is better with teams. So here add your team members or event types. So here are some of the options here. So here first thing first is the event types. So here you can see here create events to share for people to book on your calendar here. So to ensure your booking don't clash with existing appointments guys, you can sync your website to your calendar, so as what I have seen to you a while ago. So don't forget guys to allow permission so Cal.com can keep your schedule updated in real time. So on your dashboard guys, you can click new event type. You can choose between one-on-one meetings, group sessions, or multi-person events. And then you can add a title like a client consultation or set the duration for the meeting. So here guys, I'm just gonna show it to you. So after that one guys, you'll be able to see here a description. So for example, to that one is a quick video meeting. So customizing your booking link guys is also very essential for a professional touch. So also guys, you just need to tap on the continue button, and now consultation event type created successfully. You'll be able to see that one guys. So next guys is here. So as you can see here, you need to upgrade to a plan. So next one guys is you need to customize your availability for this event type, so you can set specific days and times or block of holidays and weekends. So this website lets you add buffers between meetings to avoid back bookings. And Call.com integrates your popular tools, enhance your scheduling. For example, for video meetings, you can connect Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. And if you're charged for appointments like Link, Stripe, or PayPal to collect payments directly during booking. So remember guys, that before sharing your link, test it to see how it looks for your clients or team, and then open the link in browser and then select a time slot and complete the booking process, and then you'll receive a notification and the event will appear in your calendar. So want to make booking even easier? Embed your Call.com booking link on your website or email signature. In your dashboard, you can go to the embed widget, copy the code, and paste it into your website's HTML or email settings. So here, Call.com also offered features like team scheduling, round-robin assistance, custom branding, wherein match your booking page to your business looks and feel. And there you have it guys. This is a complete guide to using Call.com. So from setting up your account to customizing your bookings, you're now ready to handle scheduling like a pro guys. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity and tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section because I'm always here to help you about tutorials. See you in my next video and bye.